Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Crown Vic back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to do a cherry Lola treatment. This is not a protein treatment, even though it does have a lot of protein in it. But I guess yeah, it is a protein treatment. Because it has different things. So let me tell you a little bit about the cherry Lola treatment. It is for hydration and frizz. That was the purpose of it. But people started adding other things. The original ingredients were just some type of powder. The two main ingredients were amino acids and plain yogurt. The amino acids by Bragg's, the same people that do the apple cider vinegar mixture. And you just put it's like a soy sauce. I put it on my soy sauces. Or it's like soy sauce and you put in like stir fry, teriyaki stuff. But you put it in your hair and it's supposed to bring down the frizz and all that other stuff. And then slowly everybody started adding other things. And now it's kind of like a hydration frizz with the protein in it because it has bananas, it has eggs, it has avocado, stuff like that. So I'm going to jump in how to make this really quick right here. And then we're going to come back to see how I put it in my hair and how the texture is. This is the Cherry Lola ingredients for high and low porosity hair. Originally, the Cherry Lola was meant for low porosity hair, but my hair type is high porosity and type 3, and the Cherry Lola was meant for type 4. So I just wanted to try it on my hair type to let you guys know how it works on the other end of the stick.
You think somebody gonna be doing that, eating that? Yeah, they gonna say, that look like some fucking slop.
It's not to eat, Mom.
What is that for?
Oh my goodness.
Your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Mom.
You try too much shit.
It's just for a protein treatment. It's not like you leave it in and whatever. It's protein.
I thought you was gonna eat that shit.
Mom, can you not?
My arm is getting fucking tired.
Almost done.
Look at my arm.
I'm gonna smash it. Okay, you can stop recording.
Because he helped you a lot, man. Who knows? You might know a lot of people in Georgia that Botox. He's pretty, huh? You take him fishing everywhere, Vicky.
I know. Okay, guys, we're back. Got a towel on. And I got my hair freshly washed. If you guys want to see my hair routine, how I wash my hair on wash day, please click the link up here in the eye icon and you guys can see how I wash my hair. Okay, this is after a deep conditioner. Ooh, in my eye. And yeah, so we're going to put the Cherry Lola in. All right. So we're gonna part it in half. It's still a little damp, but I want it to be a little bit more wet. Okay. 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 Bring this down lower. Okay. So my hair is kind of frizzy. Not really that frizzy. water. Gonna dampen the hair up. It's better that way. Just so your hair, you don't have to use as much product when you're putting in different treatments. Just like if you were to put in the Bionite clay mask in your hair, it's just better if it's your hair wet. So I'm going to start from ends to roots. So I'm gonna get my mixture. Ooh, it feels like hummus. Yum. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start from the ends. It's very weighing too, weighs down the hair. It's very grainy. You might need a better blender. It's very grainy. Let me know if your guys' is grainy. It feels like there's like chunks of something in it. I put like banana. I don't know, who cares? It's not as creamy. But this is super easy to make at home. The ingredients aren't that bad, especially if you go to the dollar store. I don't know if you guys have a 99-cent store by you, but everything could be $1 really. Except for maybe the amino acids. I think that's like $6. But you can also use it in other stuff too, which is good. Like you can still eat it for your hair products. So, ooh, you're like, look how it makes the hair look. Looks pretty. Look at it. Like weighs it down. Check in the mirror. Make sure your hair is covered with the cherry Lola. Hydration. Go, boo. Look at you. All right, and we'll see you guys after I rinse. My hair was still wet and super soft. As you can see in the front, my hair is super defined, more defined than it is when I do a deep conditioner or something. As you can see along the edges, where typically hair is more dry for me, super defined. So I'm happy to rinse and see how it looks. Okay, my hair after the cherry Lola. I'm going to show you guys in the light. I don't think I have a very good blender. Ooh, that's water in my ear. Ooh. Because there's like, I think there's chunks of banana in it. But here we go. This is my hair with the cherry Lola. High porosity, super dry hair. I mean, it was okay, to be honest with you. I did not add the amino acids to my mixture, so maybe that will be the difference. Coming! That'll be the difference in the hair. Overall, it's super soft, and we'll see how long this lasts. Look at that curl. See, super defined. How hydrated my hair is. Right? That's my cherry Lola. This is my experience. Probably without the amino acids, probably need to add that. But I looked at Neki cakes, and she didn't put it in her hair. Her hair looked really good. So I don't know if it's just my hair or my hair is just super dry. But my hair is not as defined as hers after I took it out. So here's just a different look on the cherry Lola without the amino acids in it. I'll probably do another one. When that one runs out, I'll probably do another batch with the amino acids just to see the difference. But here is another comparison with someone else doing the cherry Lola in their hair that didn't add the amino acids. So high porosity, very thick hair, and yeah, that's still frizzy. Still frizzy. It's not as defined as a Neki cake, but on this side it is. But I'll probably just co-wash this out. This is kind of defined. See? This is defined. But not the other side. It's kind of frizzy. Frizzy on top is defined on the bottom. But yeah, this is my experience. And make sure you have a good blender. Okay, guys. I literally took about 30 minutes rinsing out all the banana juice, the banana pieces out of my hair. So I don't know if I didn't mix it right. I don't know. You guys let me know down below if I didn't mix it right, but it was a little grainy. I didn't think that was an issue until I rinsed it out. So I literally had to part my hair in small sections and just take it all out. But I got most of it out. My hair is still pretty soft. It's not as defined as Neki cakes, but I mean, it looks like it usually does after I take my deep conditioner out. So next time I do this, I'll probably won't add all that extra stuff like the avocado and the bananas. I'll probably just do the original ingredients that Cherry Lola did. So if I do it again, but if you guys want me to try out the original instead of doing all that extra stuff, then let me know. If you like this video and you like my reviews on different hair remedies, please comment down below, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for new posts. I'll see you guys soon, and I hope this was very informative and help you guys know a different side of the cherry Lola, not just the, oh, it works, mass hydration, but you know, for other hair types or some other people, yeah, not so much. But see you next time. See you later.